Hey everyone, so I just wanted to give some clarification on this assignment here about phytochemicals. This one goes along very much with the slideshow presentation about medicinal crops where we talk about each of the phytochemicals. So again, we're kind of following the examples from that. So it says fill out the following chart with information for each of the four major phytochemicals. So you can see all four of them listed here: alkaloid, glycoside, polyphenol, terpene. For each phytochemical given, give an example of a plant that it is extracted from for medicinal purposes. So that's here in the second column. And then you'll talk about the medical purpose itself. So medical purpose of the chemical taken from that plant. Please, and let me go ahead and highlight this, make sure the medicinal purpose matches the plant it's extracted from. Again, these types of chemicals have lots of different medical applications, but each individual plant only has some specific applications. So please make sure those match up. So that's basically it for this one. It's pretty straightforward. And again, you only need to fill out these blanks here. If you have trouble figuring out a plant that it would be extracted from, again, look at the slideshow to give you an idea for what types of plants you want to be looking for. It should help you on that front. So I hope that this has been helpful. Again, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to email me, call me, or you can show up during our science department office hours from 9:30 to 10:30 every weekday, Monday